Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a focused environment and gathering credentials. Create a virtual env, then install Geopy, requests, Flask, and GPSD client so you can test GPS and network methods. Next, decide which source you will use, device GPS, network IP, or external API, and obtain any API key now. Once done, write a small script that reads a single coordinate from the chosen source. This first read confirms connectivity and permissions, so you can iterate quickly on parsing and display. Once you have raw coordinates, normalize them to decimal degrees and validate latitude between -90 and 90, longitude between -180 and 180. Then enrich the point, call Geopy for reverse geocoding to get addresses, and attach altitude or speed when the device provides it. Make sure to implement rate limiting and caching so you don't hit API limits. This also improves responsiveness. Finally, format a consistent JSON payload with timestamp, source, and accuracy. To complete the pipeline, deliver coordinates to a storage or display layer. Create a Flask endpoint to receive JSON payloads, validate fields, and insert them into SQLite or Postgres with a timestamp and spatial index. Then build a simple map view or API to query history. If something breaks, first check device permissions and serial port names, then verify API keys and rate limits, and finally log raw payloads to trace parsing errors. This helps you pinpoint whether the issue is source, network, or code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.